Okay, so in this one, I'm just going to show you let's assume this is an ANOVA. We've got three different groups, and we're going to do it exactly the same as what we did if we did a dependent or an independent t-test. So I'm going to select these three columns. I'm going to go to Insert, and in this case, I'm going to again do a bar graph, and there it is. So my chart title, as we've already decided, we can take that off. I do want to add my axis titles, so here I'm going to label this time, and I can get rid of this axis title because I've got those labeled. And the other thing I want to do is get rid of my vertical lines right here. So grid lines I'm going to get rid of. And I can change my color. Let's go to Format and let's change this color to black. I'm going to change it to black. All right. Okay, so let's assume we've run our ANOVA. This is just the averages, right? So when you look at a research paper, oftentimes they indicate which variables are significantly different, and they indicated that on the graph. So we're going to assume that the significant difference is between beginner and intermediate, and also between beginner and advanced. So one of the ways that you can signify that is you go here to Insert, and we are going to insert a image, not a text. Okay. Okay, we're going to insert a illustration. Okay, there we go. We're going to insert illustration, and we're going to go to Shapes, and we are going to select a bracket. So we can let's do this one right here, and it's going to notice that it's going to go vertical, but what you can do is you can rotate it. Okay, so we're going to rotate that, we're going to move it up, and that's pretty good right there. I'm going to move it down just a little bit. I'm going to copy because I want another one. Okay, because I want two of them, and whoops, that's not what I want to do. I want this one right here, and I'm going to move it up, and I'm going to extend it to this right here. So there's several ways that people do this. One is this way, as I have done it, and other ways people just signify maybe or put an asterisk. So that's one way you can put these brackets up here, or you can, the other way you can do this, I'm going to delete these for right now. Again, let's delete that. All right, the other thing that you can do is you can also go to Insert, you can go to Illustrations, and you can do a text box. All right, and so you can put a text box right here, and you can put an asterisk. All right, so usually we put an asterisk right there and center it, and I'm going to Control C because I'm also going to put an asterisk over this one right here. Notice that these have lines around them, so I also want to format these, so I don't want a text outline, I just want no outline. All right, and so here's my graph, and so these are going to be telling me that there is a significant difference. So if I selected my graph, I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it into my Word document like we've been doing. All right, I'm going to put a page break in here. And I'm going to do figure 3, and this is average time between beginner, intermediate, and advanced learner. And I'm going to paste my table. Okay, so my little text box didn't show up. So what I may need to do is go back here and insert a text box. Or you can insert a shape. So we could do a shape here. Do our text box again. All right, so I can insert that right there, and I can put an asterisk. And I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste it because I'm going to put one over here as well. And again, I don't want any outline on it, so I'm going to say no outline. And there I have my figure 3. And again, I'm going to make this a caption. I'm going to change my font. It seems a little redundant to do this, but sometimes we just need to do that. So we're going to scroll back up to our list of figures. And I'm going to update my reference list here. And I'm going to do the entire table. And there we go, I've got figure 3. Okay, so that's how you would do an ANOVA.